The station wagon. Your ultimate ally in surviving the apocalypse. In a world teetering on the edge, the choice of your ride could mean survival. Consider station wagons in the apocalypse. Firstly, space is ample. Pack supplies, survivors, or both. In the apocalypse, versatility is your best friend, and station wagons have it. Fuel efficiency comes next. When fuel stations are ghost towns, you'll be thankful for every extra mile your station wagon gives you. Don't underestimate their ruggedness. Station wagons are built tough, ready to tackle the unforgiving post-apocalyptic landscape with surprising agility. Stealth is key in avoiding danger. Unlike flashy sports cars or bulky SUVs, a station wagon blends in, keeping you off the radar. Lastly, the low profile of a station wagon means better handling and stability. Navigate through chaos with confidence and control. Choosing a station wagon for the apocalypse isn't just practical. It's a strategy for survival. Safe, reliable, and unexpectedly perfect. Wagon Estate.